Have you ever thought of increasing the value of your home? Whether you are considering selling your home or updating your home or rental property, there are many things you can do that don't cost a lot of money while adding a lot of value to your home. The question is, where do you want to start? Do you want to update your kitchen? Do your bathrooms need a fresher look? What about your flooring or windows? I want to give you a few ideas so you can use to update your home without spending a lot of money. Hello, my name is Herbert McGurk. I'm a real estate agent for social impact in Beverly Hills, California. Thank you for watching my video, and please feel free to subscribe, comment, or like. There is no question. You can hire the appropriate contractors for landscaping, remodeling your kitchen and bathrooms, and add new flooring or carpet throughout your house. This could cost tens of thousands of dollars, or you can DIY it for much less. I'm going to make several suggestions you can do yourself to make modest adjustments that will allow your house to stand out. As you can imagine, painting your house may be one of the first things that comes to mind to make your home have a fresh look to it. If that's all you want to do, then you will have made a huge improvement. If you have other things in mind, it may be the last thing you do. The first place you want to start is your kitchen. We generally spend about 400 hours a year in the kitchen, so it's important that we feel comfortable hanging out there. It's also considered a showcase for the rest of the house. There are many ways to update your kitchen. You're painting your cabinets, adding new handles, painting old tile countertops, or resurfacing Formica countertops with Formica foil. Painting cabinets and adding new hardware will give new life to your cabinets. I suggest you use a high-quality primer and paint with a sprayer rather than a brush because this will give you a slick new look. Plan it out, and it could be a weekend job at a very low cost. I remember my first house had tiled countertops, which was, I think, pink, and gives you an idea how old the house was. If you have already painted your countertops, you might want to match the tiles with a good color that will allow to have a nice accent. So the first thing about painting tiles is you want to lightly sand the surface and then clean it with trisodium phosphate to remove all the dust and grease. Then you want to use an epoxy acrylic formula paint. You can use a soft roller or spray so you can get an even look. Again, plan it out. It could be a weekend job at a very low cost. If you have a Formica countertop that has stains or marks that won't go away, then you can use Formica foils that will give your countertop a solid brand new look. These come in many different designs and colors, very low cost compared to cutting a new stone or marble countertop, and easy to apply. What about your tubs and sinks? Do you have chips, cracks, or stains that won't go away? Reglazing your sinks or tubs can brighten up any kitchen or bathroom. Be sure you remove any surface imperfections like scratches, shallow cracks, or stains by sanding down the surface, then filling in the cracks and chipped areas. Plan it out, and it could be a weekend job at a very low cost. What about your baseboards? Another inexpensive way of giving your home a classic look is replacing or adding baseboards. Whether your flooring is carpet or wood, placing baseboards around your floors and windows will give your home a classic new look. An efficient way of improving an overall feel of your home is replacing the switches with dimmer switches and adding ceiling fixtures with a new attractive lighting. If you want to go the extra mile, you can add ultra-thin recessed lights in areas that will accent a living room, dining room, bedroom, bathroom, or kitchen. If you're not comfortable with working with electrical components, you can purchase the lighting and have an electrician install it for you. Either way, you'll be saving a lot of money. Now that you have ideas for updating your interior, you may want to consider painting your interior rooms that need a fresh coat of paint. Prepping to paint could be a weekend job by choosing one room at a time. And don't forget the front door. This is the first thing people see when they enter your house, and you will make a great impression upon them. I have one last recommendation that will make your house stand out. What's the first thing people see when they drive by? Your front yard. You can make a great impression by having an attractive front yard. This can be a fun weekend activity or take a few weeks to prep and prepare your yard. Whether you're going to go for a drought-resistant landscaping, which will give your yard a creative touch, or a simple lawn theme, it's important to plan your project. Lay out the type of yard you're going to be looking for. Remove the turf and amend the soil with nutrients. While the yard is still bare, you will need to consider the types of irrigation you want: drip tubes, drip lines, or subsurface. Next, purchase your plants and make sure your irrigation system is set and operational. Then arrange your yard with the variety of plants you wanted. If you decide to have a lawn, then you'll either get real or artificial turf. Note, if you decide to have artificial turf, you don't need irrigation system or treat the soil, which could save on your water bill and expenses. And don't forget the backyard, which can be a showcase of an outdoor entertainment night. All of these projects are intended to save you money and have fun while you're revitalizing your home. You may not need to do half of what I mentioned. My goal is to provide you with important ideas so you can take it and give your home a fresh look. Whether you're planning to sell, have rental property that needs a quick remodel, or just want to touch up your home, I do hope these ideas have been informative. My name is Herbert McGurk, a real estate agent for Social Impact. I give 10% of my commission to a charity of your choice in your name for every transaction we complete. Let me know if you have any comments or questions. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe, comment, or like, and I'll see you on my next video.